How to pin Gmail to Taskbar in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your browser, then search for Gmail. Open the Gmail web version. After that, tap on the three dot. Then go to Cast, Save and Share. There you will see the option of Create Shortcut after you sign in. So after you have signed in, you will be able to click on the option of create shortcut. Then a file will appear that will be made automatically. And like this Google Calendar.
Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and